Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to attach documents in Microsoft Loop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Microsoft Loop website and log into your account. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at your workspace, which serves as your digital office, a place where all your ongoing projects are neatly organized. Now, navigate to the specific page within your workspace where you want to attach the document. To attach a document, locate an empty text field on your page. This is where you'll place your file. Once ready, simply paste your file into that text field. Microsoft Loop supports various file formats, including Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, and Excel spreadsheets, making it highly versatile for different project needs. When you paste your file, Loop will automatically embed it into your page. This allows anyone with access to view, comment, or even edit the file, depending on the permissions you've set. And that's it. So that is how you can attach documents in Microsoft Loop. So that's all for this video. Thanks.